I'm Tina C with the Care Team Real Estate Group, and thank you so much for taking the time to tour this property with me today. If you would like to come and experience this property for all that it has to offer, please feel free to contact me and I'll get you a private viewing.